how to download and install the MyICA mobile app. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can download as well as install the MyICA mobile app. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to download MyICA mobile app or install the MyICA mobile app, whether you're using Android or iPhone, it's fairly simple. Of course, first of all, make sure you're connected to a reliable internet connection. Then go ahead and then simply launch your app store if you're using iPhone. Now in the search bar, just type in MyICA over here and you can see the MyICA mobile application, and right here you can see the application if you're from Singapore. So of course, you just have to tap on the get button like this. Make sure to download the official app. Verify the Face ID if it asks you to do so, and after you verify the Face ID, you can see that it will begin downloading the application, and of course I can go ahead and open it, use it, and log into my MyICA account. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.